Hello everyone, it's just sound and video test, and I want to make sure that you can hear me and see my screen. So please let me know if all is good in YouTube chat. I'm waiting for a reply. Thank you. So as I can see, I got a message that everything works correctly. Appreciate it. And today we will discuss the new Stripo account, including the features that have been added recently. I would like you to meet my colleague Valeria. She will help me with the webinar chat and answer all your questions. So feel free to ask us anything. And I also want to say a few words about our company. Stripo is an email design platform that helps users save time and build emails without any coding skills. We do our best to improve your experience with Stripo, and our team is always open to the different suggestions. So if you have them, you can always contact us via email, and I will share our email address in the webinar chat. So let's move on, on to the topic that brought us together today. So yeah, recently we have fully updated Stripe account design. You can see the brand new elements, tabs, and so on. And today we will look at all the changes that have been added. And I think we should start from the left side, from this panel, and go to the bottom. So here, if we click on this tab, it gives you opportunity to switch between your personal project that you have created earlier and shared ones projects that were shared with you, for example, by your colleagues. The next section is home. Here you can see the basic information about your company, for example, how many projects you can create. For instance, on my own organization, I have one project from one, as you can see, which means that I cannot create any additional one. But if I switch to the shared organization from my colleague, here we already have 5 projects, and I can create an infinity number of the projects here, as you can see. This organization has such a subscription in the Stripe platform. That's why I have unlimited count of the projects, opportunity to create them. Yeah. Also, you can check how many users have already been added to this organization here, how many timer views left, how many email client tests are available for you. And if we check the next one section, it responsible for the statistics regarding to the email and templates. We can see how many emails and templates have been created and how many more I can create too. Also, how many experts have been made and when they will be updated. So as you can see, my new experts will be updated in 11 days. And of course, here you can see how many tests are available today for me. And the last one section here related directly to the plugin users. And in it, you can see basic information about your plugin statistic. So let's move on. And the next one tab is email messages. And here you can see all lists of your emails that you have created previously. Created the new one by clicking on this button. You can create brand new template or email message by using the list of your templates or of course you can use the basic templates or prepare templates from this list too. If you go to My Templates tab, you can see a list of them, and based on it, you can create a new email message. So the templates are like a draft, and if you click on New Template, you will be redirected to completely empty template, and then you can create your own design for the future draft templates. If you go to the basic templates, here you can see a list of the basic templates that were created by our designers, as well as prepared one. But here you can see more advanced templates. You can sort them by the type, sections, features, industry, and of course by your subscriptions. So for the paid package customers, they can use our prepared templates, premium templates, I'm sorry, and free customers can use the free one. And the next one tab that we should check is brand guidelines. We release this feature to help you build a brand newsletter regardless of what agency or email designers you hire for building your future campaigns. Also, designers easily can get used to rule and requirement for emails of any brand and will build those emails in no time. And also, I want to clarify that this feature is available only on paid package subscription. So, brand guideline you can generate on the basis of your templates, only templates, not email messages. To do it, it is enough for us to click on generate brand guideline. So the first step, we should indicate the name. So let's indicate maybe test. Then let's select the project. So let's use this one. And now we should specify here our templates. So we can use, for example, this one. And by using this tab, you can preview this template and understand that you pick the right one. Here you can specify the description if you need. By clicking on the plus button, you can include a new template to your brand guideline. Here you can specify the general styles of your brand guideline. So let's use this one. And here you can choose your primary template. So let's use this one. Here you can add additional assets to your template. So we can use all of them, for example, because all of them are really useful. And here's a reference to the Stripo. And now, after we have specified all information about our template and brand guideline, we should click on the Generate Guideline Kit. Now we should wait some time. It is generated, as you can see, in progress. And now we can reload our page, go here, and here, as we can see, it is generated. Now you have opportunity to download it or view. So let's click on the view. So if you click on the go to the template and go to the bottom here, we can see our template and how it looks like, or how it looks on the desktop version and mobile version. And here also you can see the HTML and CSS and HTML with inline CSS code. Here you can view your template via the PDF. Let's go here again. And the next one that we should to check is check the bread guidelines. I'm sorry. And here we can see the PDF file with the full information on this template from how general settings were applied to this template and ending with such nuance as the mobile version and what styles were set for it. So as you can see, there is a lot of information about our template stored here. And this will definitely save you time if you need to make a report based on the template, based on specific template. So let's move on, and here you can see the data. Data service here. So this step is separate on two folders, so service and source. Data service is storage where you will be able to receive response and feedback from your customers that you will get from the form block. And data source is a place where you can pull information into emails by connecting these emails to the server. Now we will not focus on this step, so if you have some additional questions about this topic, you can ask me in the chat and I will send you an article on this topic. Thank you. And let's check the next one tab. It is the settings tab. Here you can see the main settings that will help you improve your profile, projects, and organization. So we should start, I think, from the first one, profile. And as you can see, it includes 4 sections. So the first one, personal information, it helps you to configure your personal data, upload your photo, add first and last name, and of course, phone number. Also, you select the interface language for your whole editor here. And the main information here is that you can change your email address. So if you click on the change email address, you can paste or write your new email, and after it, you will receive email to this email, and you just need to verify it after it. So change password. Here you have opportunity to change your password. You should insert your current password here. Or even just write new password here and confirm it again here. And then you will be able to change it. The next one, two-factor authentication. If you want to make your account more secure on the Stripo platform, two-factor authentication will be useful for you. And the last one in profile tab, it is delete account. If you decide to terminate your account, you can do it in this section. So let's move on. Here you can see the company. In the company tab, from below, you can specify your company name, change your traffic plans, and buy extra services here. In the image server menu, you can configure the image storage. By the way, Stripo storage is connected by the default. It has no capacity or time limits. You can use it absolutely for free. And also you have several options to connect your custom image storage for your pics. So for example, you can connect Amazon bucket, Azure, or some another storage. Let's check the next one. Tab is the project and groups. So what is a project? Project help you in organization work for different customers, similar to folders. It comes with the various settings, email templates option, participants, invitation for collaboration or efforts, and customizable project settings for email design. Project settings involve customization of social networks, merge tags, special links, custom fonts, domain, localization, and more based on customers' needs, and the ability to invite specific colleagues to the relevant project. So, how to set up the project? So the first one step that we should do is go to this step and then choose the necessary project by clicking on it. So let's choose this one. And here you can see the list of the tabs that will help you to customize your project. So let's check it faster. So in the general information tab, you can change the logo for your project, change the project names, assign it to any group that you have created previously, change the website, industry, archive your project, and specify contact email address. The next one, IE. So here you can specify the text for IE, and when you will go to the template and you will need to use this IE, this will help you to generate some new text based on IE. The next one is style options. So here you have opportunity to turn off some web safe fonts. Maybe if you have some your custom fonts, you just need to go to the bottom of this tab and change these settings. So if you want to add some new brand custom font, you just need to click on the plus here and specify the font name, link to the CSS file of this font, and specify font family here. And after it, you will be able to use it in your future templates. Here, social networks, you can specify all your socials, and it will help you to save your time when you drag and drop the social block to your account, to your template, and all socials will be already pasted. The next one is the personalization. So here you have opportunity to add custom links and merge tags. So for example, you are using MailChimp email service provider, and you want to add some new merge tag or custom link. You just need to click on the plus here, and here specify the merge tag or the custom link. And of course, if you use any another email service provider that you cannot see here, you just need to go to the bottom of this list and here change, here click on the custom tag. And when you click on the plus, you will be able to add your custom merge tag and custom link to your project and use it in the template. In the localization tab, you just need to turn on this feature, and then you will be able to specify the default language and additional languages. And after it, when you will specify it and go to any template, you have opportunity to translate your template to any of these languages. As the next step, display conditions. So in the display condition, if you have some custom conditions, you just need to click on the create here, paste your code of the condition, and then after you will create it and save, you just need to go to any of your template and apply the condition to the container structure or Stripe. The next one, custom domains. So it will be useful for you if, for example, you want to use some template or email messages and share it with your colleagues that don't have account in Stripo. So if you want to discuss this design, you just need to copy paste them this link, and they will be able to see the desktop and mobile mode too. But if, as you can see, it is stored on our server, and if you don't want to store it on our site, you just need to specify here your custom subdomain address, and it will store on your site. And the last one, it is REST API. Our platform provides access to the REST API via the HTTPS protocol using get or post methods. It allows you to create project email messages automatically using the external database on previously crafted templates and models saved in the user personal content library. And what about the groups? So the groups feature aids users in classifying, and managing their project. Each project aligned with a specific group, improving the management process. Linking a project to a group let users employ the group's parameters to individual project. This increases project creation performance. So group settings allow change parameter like a merge tag, special links, custom font, and etc. for all emails template based on customer needs. So how to set up the group? So the first one step, we should go to this step. Then we should choose the necessary group or create the new group. So for example, let's pick this group. And then here you have opportunity to click on the settings of this group. And now you see another list of the settings that you can customize. So here you can change the group name, change the language, website, and industry. Here you can change a lot of settings, like for example, if you want to turn off support of Outlook in your template, you can change it in your group setting. Maybe you want to turn off after save feature in your template. So here it is also in the group. Here the same for the IE. Here you can set style options. For example, we can turn off all our style options. Here you can see the social networks. So let's create some another social. Maybe let's use SoundCloud, yeah, and let's write like example. Cool. Here you can add the merge tag for your groups. Here you can turn on the localization if you want, add some display condition, custom domain, and that's all. And after we have set all settings for our group, we should go to the groups again, go to the general, and now create new project. So let's name it like Stripo test web. And now if we go to tabs that we have added, so for example for the social, yeah, here we can see that this tab have already pasted by our information that we have specified for the groups. Same for the style options. So as you can see, no fonts for it. And new project took, so as you understand, new project will took all information from the group, which save your time creating a new project in the future. And the next one, users. So let's suppose you are a design agency with a group of the designers working on creation of email and templates. In that case, you can create one cooperative paid account and invite your colleague to this account for collaboration. I think you can agree that it will significantly simplify the interaction between your colleagues and you. You can add and manage users who can access your account by allowing them to view and edit. This feature is available with the Medium Pro and Prime subscription plans by default, but for all other packages, you can connect it as an extra option. And how you can invite users. So you just need to click to the invite users here. So the first step, you should specify in which project your colleague will have access. Yeah. Here you should specify the role, and now you have opportunity to send invitation link to your colleague, or you can specify his email, and he will it will arrive invitation on his email. The next one tab that I want to mention it is billing. So the billing menu allows you to send bills to your finance department. You can specify the finance email in the field under the billing section here. And if you go to the active subscription, here you can see the details of your subscription. Then you will be able to change it or maybe delete your active subscription. And of course, in the payment history, you have opportunity to check the history of your transaction and download the invoices. And the last one here, it is plugin. So Stripo plugin is embedded version of the Stripo email editor. It has been created to let you add it to an application you have created and provide your customers with a simple for use drag and drop email editor. For more information, you can check it in our main website in the product tab. Stripo plugin here. And also that I want to pay your attention. I want to pay your attention what has been changed in the editor. So here we can see our editor, and the toolbar at the top of the editor was changed too. So here, like you can change the name of your template, save it, for example, as a new email or as a new template, save it, email, and exit. Here you can restore your version history. Here, this one tab responds for the translate. If you click on the code, you will see the HTML CSS code of this template. Preview, of course, help you to understand how your template will look like on the desktop version and mobile version. The test give you opportunity to test your template in some services. And the next one, export, that I want to mention here, you can see the brand new 4 tabs. So the first one responds for integrations that you have used previously. So as you can see, I have used Outlook 2 accounts, Pardot accounts, and HTML. So here you will see your recently used. In email providers tab, you will see all integrations that Stripo platform has, and you can use any of them. In the application tab, you will see Gmail, Outlook Web, Webhook, and Zyper integration. And in the last one, file, you have opportunity to download and export your template like an AMP HTML, image, and PDF. The next one, the share button. So in the share button, I have mentioned that you have opportunity to share your template with colleagues that don't have Stripe account. In the settings, you can change the side panel to the left, for example, and change it again. Of course, here you can specify the subject title, hidden preheader, and UTM parameters. And the last one here, it is button with a question mark. So if you have some questions regarding the Stripo platform, Stripo editor, and etc., you can click, for example, on the account settings, and now you can see our help center. So, for example, I'm the customer that want to add some custom font. I just need to write here font, and now I have a lot of articles about it. So if I go for the managing font family, here I can see how to add custom font, how to change it, what nuances you can face in the future, and how implement it in the Stripo editor directly. Of course, here you can see the YouTube. So if you click on it, you will see our YouTube channel with the webinars, short videos about the editor and etc. Here you will see the education. So if you want to learn more about the emails and how it creates, you just need to go in this step. Here you can see the shortcuts. And the last one, it is chat. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can write to our support team, and they will give you an answer to your questions regarding the Stripo platform, I think within the 1 minute. So yeah, and I want to mention that this feature is available on the paid package. And I think that's all. Yeah. Thank you for your attention. That these were the main changes in the Stripe account. And if you have any questions about the webinar, you can write it and I will answer it in the webinar chat. So appreciate your time and have a nice day.